Hey there, welcome back. So today we will understand couple of more things related to the last program which we have built. So here is the last program, and if we check in here, there are a couple of warnings. Let me hover upon this warning. It says list is a raw type. Reference to generic type list E should be parameterized. Now this particular warning is kind of unknown for us, and what exactly this generic type means is something which we will see in detail in our next section. So that is something which is coming up, but as of now we will try to fix this warnings. And if we check these list of quick fixes, the first fix is add type argument to list. So let's click on that, and it's names. So now the issue is fixed, which is cool, right? Now friends, I would like to modify this particular program a little, and I would try to create a list of anything. Means in here there is a restriction. We have to create list of names object only. Suppose we don't want to create a list of names. Rather, the list is a generic list. A list contains custom objects, integers, characters, string, or anything else. In that scenario, how we can handle? So let's try to do that. Now friends, in here, when we type in list of names, this names, when we specify this in between the diamond operator, we are restricting the list to be list of names, which isn't cool, right? So in place of names, we will type in object. Alright, now proceeding further, as soon as we type in list of object, what exactly is object? Alright, so now let me hover upon this object class name, and here is the description by Oracle. It says class object is the root of class hierarchy. Every class has object as a superclass. All objects, including arrays, implement the methods of this class. So in a nutshell, I can say that a type object can contain any type of object, right? So let me repeat it once again. A object type can contain anything in Java. Alright, so first of all, let me rename this list. We won't call it as names, rather we will call it as elements maybe. So I will highlight this name, right click, navigate to refactor, and rename this. The shortcut for renaming and refactoring is Alt Shift and R. So take a note of it. It would be like element. So this looks good. And moreover, we would be adding couple of more element in this list. So I will type in elements dot add, and I will add maybe a string now, right? Some string is the text. Let me copy this part. In fact, that would be better. And here we go. So let me copy this statement couple of times. All right. Let me add in some integer. Let me add in a double entity. Let me add in a character maybe. So everything could be added in here, including some custom object which we have already did. So this list now can contain any type of object and any type of data. Alright, so this is cool, and this part of code is done. But now when we are trying to print this list, there is an issue. Why? Because this print list method is capable of printing the element of names type only. So let us fix this as well. So this will be updated from names to object. That's one change. I will change the list iterator type to object again. So this is good. Alright, now there is again a issue when we are trying to sort this list. Now friends, whenever we are making use of this object, a object could be of any type. Definitely the natural ordering is something which we will be not able to decide. Moreover, if we are making use of this comparator interface, again this would be implementing over a class, and definitely this particular list is not based on that class. Definitely for these things we won't be able to make use of sort. The general rule for sorting is that the data needs to be of same type. In here we are adding different type of data, so the sorting mechanism won't be able to apply in here. If you want to sort this kind of list, you need to implement your manual sorting mechanism. So that's again a catch in here. Let me get rid of this code, and now if I run this program, then definitely here would be the output. Definitely, even if we get rid of this compare to method and get rid of this interface, again our program will work properly and there won't be any change. In fact, let me get rid of this and let me get rid of this method as well. We don't require it. Let me get rid of the unrequired imports are removed, and now our program is working properly without any warning and without any issue. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. From the next video we will start exploring what exactly is generic, and then after we understand generics we will again come back to collections and we will continue and complete the collections topic in detail. So catch you soon in the next video. Take care.